We are tracking Hurricane Fiona as it passes by Bermuda this morning. Already the storm has strengthened into a Category 4 hurricane, now a Category 3 hurricane. There's Bermuda down here at the bottom of your screen. Fox Weather's Robert Ray is live now in Bermuda. He has more on the situation there. Good morning, Robert.
Good morning to you guys. You know, the winds are still blowing at tropical force surge here in the 50-mile-an-hour range, but the sun has come out. It's so strange out here in Bermuda, but what an overnight it was boy, a very intense rain and winds up to Category 2, 94-mile-an-hour gusts at one point, really wreaking havoc on the tiny island of Bermuda, just 21 square miles, about 700 miles off the shores of North Carolina, out here in the Atlantic. Fiona trekked up in the Atlantic about 100 miles off the shores of Bermuda, and these counterclockwise dirty side winds came in, and you can see they're still coming in, even though Fiona is more than 200 miles to the northwest of where I'm standing right now. But unfortunately, there is well over 20,000 power outages here on the island. And to put that into perspective for you, there is roughly 64,000 residents here. So Belco, the power company, has a lot of work to do as soon as this wind dies down, which they're going to do. And the government of Bermuda, which people should know, is also an overseas territory of England, Great Britain rather, is telling people to stay off the road still because of these winds. Even though the sunshine is out, it's not safe, and they want people to just wait at least until later this evening until the winds die down. But no rain, and isn't that crazy? I mean, all the rain that we had, it's just dry. This pool deck here at the hotel, the wind just actually moved it out, and you wouldn't even know that it rained. But it was a heck of a night. Just hope there's not a lot of structural damage here around the island after people get out and start assessing, guys.
Yeah, I'm sure not a lot of sleep for you or for everybody else there on the island. Thank you so much for joining us, Robert. We really appreciate it. Stay safe out there. All right. Let's talk about Fiona, because now a Category 3 hurricane gusting to 125 miles an hour. So a very powerful storm. As it gets into cooler water, working its way toward Canada, it will dissipate and likely weaken to a tropical storm eventually. But as we get into Saturday here, it could still make landfall in Canada near Nova Scotia at a Category 3 or 2 hurricane. So that would be one of the most powerful storms that Canada has seen in a long time. We'll be keeping an eye on that as we get into your weekend. But